Good afternoon, everyone. Sana naman I'm reporter number 5. Today, I'm reporting this question and so we'll start. Maria was preparing the oven to bake brownies. The recipe's direction was to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. But her oven thermometer was in degrees Celsius. What should be the thermometer reading before Maria puts the baking pan full of brownies mixed in the oven? So we solve this is the formula. Degree Celsius is equal to 5/9 times degree Fahrenheit minus 30. If this is the degree Fahrenheit, we substitute and solve. We put, so first we do parentheses. 350 minus 32 is 380. And ito, para mas madali gawin lang natin yan. So, degree Celsius equals 5/9 times 380 is equal to 176.66. Pero nilantok na natin, ginawa natin 177 degrees Celsius. That's all. Thank you for listening.